Hi friends, today we want to change the wiper of Audi A4 and it was not working. Now we bought a new one and this is the old one which we removed it, and now we want to install the new one. So here's the part number if you need the part. So it was 3 bolts. One, second was right here, and the third one. So, but before that, you need to clear these plastic covers off. You put the first bolt on. Since it's a tight space, it's a trick right here. I have to put this on right here, and now it's hard enough. Again, you put it right here. Now it's not gonna shake. Put it on there. Twist. That should be good. Take that paper out, don't forget that. And the third. Should be good. Now you put everything back on. Plastic covers. So if you come right here, so you have to push it enough till it fits on the second one, not the first one, the second one. The first one from your side, the second one from the other side. This one right here. It's a 13mm bolt. Again, since it's the tight spot, don't forget this. Okay, now we want to turn on the car and we want to see if it was working or not. Yeah. As you guys are watching, now it is fully functional and it's working 100% completely. Thank you guys for watching.